Okay. In this question, we use a logistic growth model because the question tells you the population of the fish in the pond is growing by logistic model. So you can model the growth by logistic equation. It is estimated that the carrying capacity of the pond is 1400 fish. Absent constraint, the population grew by 130% per year. See, this is the rate of growth. So if the starting population is P0 equals to 100, then after one breeding season, the population of the pond is how much? We got to find after one breeding season, and after two breeding season, what's the population of the pond going to be? So basically, you got to find P1 and P2 using the formula of logistic model, and this is the formula: T equals C, which is carrying capacity, which is 14,000 here. I'm sorry, 1400. 1 plus C over P0 minus 1 parenthesis and e to the power negative RT. So basically you got to put T as a 1 to find the first question answer. For the second question answer, you put T equals to 2. And notice that growth rate is 130%. As a decimal, this is going to be 1.3. So let me show you how to put that in the calculator. That's the calculator provided in the question. You got to find P1, which is first question answer. So you start with this C, which is carrying capacity, which is 1400. So I'm going to put 1400 divided by, with the divided sign here, and we put 1 plus, I'm exactly typing like it looks like, in parenthesis again, because this parenthesis, C, which is 1400, correct, divided by P0, which is initial population of the fish is 100, right? And you use this arrow to put the cursor in the middle, so put the negative, I should say minus 1, and you remember to close the parenthesis, and you type E. Again, to type E, either you can go to the function here, you can find the E, or you can just do E to the X directly to find E to the power. But notice that this everything has to be in the power negative RT has to be in the exponent. So what I'm going to do is I put the parenthesis around the power. So I have to type the negative. R value is 1.3, which is 130%. 1.3 times 1, because we have to find the, let's go back to the main, times 1. Okay, that's the population after one breeding season. So 308.17. Plus you round it, your answer to the nearest whole number. So this is 308. Okay. So for the second question, you're looking for the population after two breeding sessions. So basically you put the time here as a 2. Everything is the same, just time equals to 2. So what I'm going to do, I just replace this 1 by 2. So I get 712.26, and notice it's under the nearest whole number, so you're going to get 712. 712 is the population after two breeding session. Okay, and you can check your answer. The answer is correct. Thank you for watching.